Bonjour from Strasbourg, mes amis. Welcome to a city that stands as a testament to the harmonious blend of two distinct cultures. Nestled on the border of France and Germany, Strasbourg is a captivating city with a rich history and a vibrant cultural scene. This city has been a crossroads of European culture for centuries, and its unique position has allowed it to absorb the best of both French and German influences. It's a place where the charm of France meets the efficiency of Germany, creating a unique and unforgettable experience. The streets are lined with half-timbered houses that tell stories of a bygone era, while modern buildings stand as a testament to its progressive spirit. Strasbourg is a city best explored on foot, allowing you to wander through its charming streets and soak up the atmosphere. As you stroll, you'll encounter quaint cafes, bustling markets, and picturesque squares that invite you to pause and take in the surroundings. From the moment you arrive, you'll be enchanted by its beauty and captivated by its history. The city's historic center, known as the Grande Isle, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, filled with stunning architecture and fascinating landmarks. Whether you're interested in history, architecture, or simply soaking up the atmosphere of a beautiful city, Strasbourg has something to offer everyone. The majestic Strasbourg Cathedral, with its intricate Gothic design, is a must-see, as is the charming Petite France district, with its canals and medieval buildings. So come along with me as we embark on a journey to discover the magic of Strasbourg. Together, we'll explore its hidden gems, learn about its storied past, and experience the vibrant culture that makes this city so special. Whether it's your first visit or your 10th, Strasbourg always has something new to reveal. Our first stop takes us to the Heinrichsturm, a historic tower that offers breathtaking panoramic views of Strasbourg. As we climb the winding staircase, each step takes us further back in time. The Heinrichsturm was once part of the city's medieval fortifications, standing guard against invaders. Today, it offers a peaceful escape from the bustling city below. Next, we wander into Petite France, Strasbourg's most enchanting neighborhood. This historic quarter is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and it's easy to see why. Half-timbered houses, adorned with colorful flowers, line the canals. The aroma of freshly baked bread wafts through the air, inviting us to linger. We stroll along the cobblestone streets, admiring the traditional architecture and soaking up the romantic atmosphere. Petite France feels like a fairy tale come to life. No visit to Strasbourg is complete without marveling at the Cathédrale Notre-Dame. This architectural masterpiece dominates the city skyline, its pink sandstone facade glowing in the sunlight. Stepping inside, we're awestruck by the cathedral's grandeur. Soaring ceilings, intricate stained glass windows, and a sense of peaceful reverence wash over us. It's a sight that has captivated visitors for centuries. Tucked away on a quiet street, we discover St. Stephen's Cathedral, a hidden gem of Strasbourg. This beautiful Roman Catholic church is often overlooked by tourists who flock to the more famous Cathédrale Notre-Dame. However, those who take the time to visit St. Stephen's are rewarded with a unique and intimate experience. This Roman Catholic church may not be as famous as the Cathédrale Notre-Dame, but it holds its own unique charm. The architecture is a blend of Gothic and Romanesque styles, giving it a distinct character that sets it apart from other churches in the region. As we step inside, we're struck by the sense of peace and tranquility. The hustle and bustle of the city seem to melt away, replaced by a serene and calming atmosphere that invites quiet contemplation. The church's interior is simple yet elegant, with beautiful stained glass windows that cast colorful patterns of light across the floor. The serene atmosphere is enhanced by the soft glow of candles and the gentle sound of distant choral music. St. Stephen's Cathedral is a reminder that sometimes the most beautiful places are the ones that are hidden in plain sight. It's a place where history, art, and spirituality come together, offering a sanctuary for those seeking a moment of peace in the heart of Strasbourg. Our journey takes us to Kléber Square, Strasbourg's bustling central square. This vibrant hub is always alive with activity, from street performers to outdoor markets. We grab a bench and soak up the atmosphere. Locals and tourists alike mingle, creating a lively ambience. We watch as children chase pigeons, their laughter filling the air. In the center of the square stands a statue of General Kléber, a hero of the French Revolution. He seems to be watching over the city with a watchful eye. As our day in Strasbourg draws to a close, we can't help but feel a tinge of sadness. This charming city has captured our hearts with its beauty, history, and warm hospitality. From the top of the Heinrichsturm to the cobblestone streets of Petite France, every corner of Strasbourg has left an imprint on our souls. We'll cherish the memories we've made here. Until next time, Strasbourg, we'll be back to explore more of your hidden treasures and soak up your magical atmosphere.